Hi there, in this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can add poses to a voiceover in ElevenLabs. So the first thing that you will have to do is open your text-to-speech, which is under the playground section. And then what you will do after that is type your text. So for example, I already have my text here. So basically, what I will just have to do is place pose or specify time breaks where needed. So of course, put a bracket and then just type pose and then put another bracket again, and then what you will do is select your voice after you're done with this. And for example, I would want this voice, and just go ahead and select that. And then what you will do is you will just have to click advanced settings and search for timing or poses if you do have that option, and then you just adjust the pose duration if needed. But if you're already satisfied or okay with this, just go ahead and click generate speech so that you will be able to review the audio. So just go ahead and click that.
Hello, ElevenLabs.
So again, if you're not yet satisfied with a post, you could actually edit it on your advanced settings if you do have that option here. And yeah, what you will do is of course just edit it all. And again, that's how you post. That's how you make poses on in ElevenLabs. And yeah, if you're satisfied with your output or outcome of what you've done, what you will just have to do is just click the download icon right here, and it will be saved to your computer or whatever device that you're using. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.